Are you looking for acne solutions that really work? The good news is, whether you're a teenager or an adult suffering from acne, you don't have to live with it. Here you can find 10 super easy and effective ways to get rid of acne. 1. Do not pick, press, or rub your pimples. These actions actually increase the sebum production and rupture the membranes below your skin. The infection and sebum will spread underneath your skin and cause more pimples. Also, you risk increasing the chances of leaving scars on your face. 2. Wash your face twice a day using a mild soap. It is even better if you can buy sulfur-based soap, especially for acne. If your skin is too oily, use a soap with benzoyl peroxide. Do not use rough sponges, brushes, or anything similar on your face. You shouldn't, however, overwash your face because it will actually stimulate your sebaceous glands to produce more sebum, which will increase your acne. 3. Check if it is because of the food. For many people, food allergy can cause very serious acne condition. You should avoid eating too much oily and spicy food. Recent studies have shown that acne can also be caused by milk, which contains hormones, as well as seafood with relatively high levels of iodine. If possible, cut down on those foods. Other foods you may consider avoiding are sugar, dairy products, deep-fried food, meat, nut butters, etc. On the other hand, it is believed that green vegetables, vegetable fuses, and foods rich in zinc can help alleviate acne condition. 4. Drink more water every day. 8 glasses of water a day can keep acne away, says Jennifer Thoden, a respected acne expert. The reason is that water can carry waste material out of our body, and it really helps heal and prevent acne flare-ups. 5. Do not wear makeup if possible. Makeup products can clog your pores, cause more blackheads and pimples. If you have to wear makeup, make sure it is water-based. Be sure to clean your makeup brushes regularly and cleanse your skin before you sleep. 6. Do not use oily products. Avoid products such as hair pomades, intense oil-based facial moisturizers, and oily cleansers. 7. Keep your face clean. Do not rest your chin on your hands or constantly touch your face. Regular shampoo your hair and keep it off your face, especially when you sleep. 8. Exercise moderately, as it helps in blood circulation and elimination of toxins. 9. Stay stress-free. Studies have shown that stress not only worsens acne flare-up, it also worsens the overall skin condition. Talk to your friends, listen to your favorite music, or take a walk in the park. There are many things you can do to be stress-free. 10. Get sunshine and fresh air. Sunshine stimulates vitamin D in the body, an essential vitamin for healthy skin. Fresh air and sunshine can also reduce stress and increase oxygen to the skin. Don't get burnt in the sun though. Burnt and heavily tanned skin forms a layer on the skin that doesn't exfoliate quickly enough and can lead to blocked pores.